Hello everyone, my name is Nipun Mahajan. Hope you are enjoying the ISF alumni meet, and I would like to thank you, the organizing team, to giving me the opportunity to be the part of the meeting through video conference. And I apologize that I could not make it this year to the India to be the part of the team. And about myself, I'm Nipun, and I did my Bachelor of Pharmacy from ISF in 2007. I completed it there, and then I did Masters with the MHRD Fellowship from ISF College of Pharmacy. So I spent good length of time, 6 years, and I have beautiful memories from there. And the education there has helped us a lot to build our career, and this is all thanks to the chairman, Mr. Praveen Gargji, and all the eminent faculty he has hired from the India, and many people came back from abroad with international exposure. So currently I'm working as a technical operation analytical scientist in AbbVie Pharmaceutical. It's an international company. Our headquarters is in Chicago, and my role and responsibilities are to look after the technology transfer from the R&D site to the manufacturing site in Ireland. So whenever there are some analytical testing, or there are any challenges associated with the testing, or how generally we can improve the testing procedure, reduce the runtime, and how we can make it more safe, how we can speed up the testing process, how we can increase our production rate, and that is where my team come along. So thank you very much for giving me this opportunity, and if there is anything I can do for the alumni member and the college, I'm the part of the ISF WhatsApp family, so give me a text there, and I hope you all are having great time, and you are having fun there, and thank you to everyone, and enjoy.
Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Shalindar Kaur, and I am currently living in Seattle, Washington State in United States of America, and I'm working as a clinical pharmacist in one of the hospital settings here. Before I go further details, I would like to say huge thanks first to Mr. Praveen Garg, who is the chairman of ISF College of Pharmacy, for providing me this opportunity and experience, and sharing my experience with all of you in terms of the pharmacy field. And I graduated from ISF College in 2004 with bachelor, and that was the first batch who graduated from that college with a bachelor degree. And after I graduated in 2004, I came back and I started working as a lecturer there, and started teaching the diploma of pharmacy students until 2007. And then when I before I moved into United States. So when I moved to United States, I pursued my degree in pharmacy, and I got my PharmD in 2012 and started working as a pharmacist in one of the retail setting here. And soon after that, I got promoted as a pharmacy manager, and I managed few pharmacies. And these were more like retail pharmacies, where it was the dispensing medication to the patient care. And then while I was doing my pharmacy management, I also got some certifications in anticoagulation and medication therapy management, just to grow my knowledge and to go to enhance my pharmacy career. And after that, I actually picked up I started working as a clinical pharmacist in one of the hospital setting, and I liked that. So that's where I am working right now. And the job that I do is I prescribe the medications under the protocol with the doctors, and the pharmacists, they're responsible for providing the recommendations in terms of the dose adjustments, therapy changes, or labs that the patient needs. So basically, for this under this job, the doctors are spending less time with the patient care, and pharmacists are right there, available all the time for patient care. And so, doctors have more time to do the in-person care with the patients, instead of just looking at the prescription. So pharmacists are responsible for helping the patients in terms of the prescription medications. And ISF College is one of the best college that I know. When we started, it used to have only 2 rooms there, because they used to have only diploma in pharmacy, and we had some labs and some, only few rooms. But it's so impressive, and it's so grateful to see the huge changes, and all this growth that ISF has grown from like top to the bottom. It's like one of the best college in the North Zone right now. And I have seen, I was doing all the research, and it's one of the best college in India. It has a lot of accreditations, and I feel very grateful that I got an opportunity to attend my bachelor degree there, which was my core pharmacy program before working as a pharmacist. So and my advice for the students, for all of you, will be that you are very lucky that you got admission in this college. This is one of the best decisions you have made in your life. And I would tell you that you're gonna definitely feel that when you are going after your graduation, you go back and you go in the field, you will see all the opportunities, like all the experiences that you got from here, you will use them in the real field. And I see that there are a lot of placement opportunities in the campus. There is PhD, there are like some research and some publications. A lot of opportunities have been provided to the students there right now, which is huge, because ISF is one of the best in excellence. It got excellence in the pharmacy education. And I would also like to advise that please work hard and focus on those little details, and don't just try to just memorize it and pass the test, because I would tell you that all those little details, we do use them in the real field when we are there. And there are a lot of opportunities out there in pharmacy field now, in academics and research, manufacturing, and medication therapy management, the patient care. There are a lot of opportunities, and it has been growing day by day by day. So please focus on more practical experience, which will be very beneficial, and it would have a huge impact in the future on your career. And once again, before I say good luck to all of you, I would again like to say thanks to Mr. Praveen Garg and all the other staff, all the admin group, as well as my juniors, my fellow classmates. A huge thanks to every one of you for giving me this opportunity to go back and share my experience and my memory with you all. And good luck to all the students who are graduating, all the pharmacists. You're going to be a great pharmacist, and you're going to have a great impact on patient care and in the pharmacy field. And thank you so much, and you all have a great day. Thank you.
Hello, everyone. Hope you all are doing good and keeping safe. Um, I'm Shraddha Bhalla, and I passed my Bachelor's of Pharmacy in 2012. It's been 8 years, and but those have been, my years in college and my hostel life. I still remember and cherish those memories, and they are still intact. It's kind of sad that we cannot meet in person this time due to the uncertain COVID-19 situation, but these are tremendous efforts, extremely good efforts by the organizing committee, that we can at least connect online. And this time the alumni meet comes in collaboration with a national seminar on the role of pharmacovigilance in COVID-19. And um so far from my experience in healthcare consulting, there are three critical factors that are considered while launching a drug product. Number one is safety, then it is efficacy, and then it's the cost of the drug. But safety is paramount, and so is adverse event reporting when, especially, we are coming with an antiviral or an vaccine for the very first time for a novel disease like COVID. Um, ISF, this shows that ISF keeps up with time, and back when we were students, there used to be such conferences of national and international level, which were really insightful and used to be great learning experience. And ISF still keeps on doing it. This is really amazing, and thanks to efforts of Chairman Sir that this continues to happen. And I hope that we all connect well this time and make most out of this alumni meet. Yeah.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Jagdish Chandra Joshi from Chicago, Illinois, USA. I am one of the alumni of ISF College of Pharmacy, Moga, Punjab, and I completed my Masters of Pharmacology in the year of 2010. I am highly obliged to be the student of eminent faculties who nourish me with the vast knowledge of pharmacology, and I am also thankful to the chairman of ISF College of Pharmacy, Moga, who provided the fundamental research facilities and made my path easy. At present, I am working as a research scientist in the Department of Pharmacology, College of Medicine, University of Illinois, which is one of the prestigious university of the USA. Conveying my best wishes to my juniors, I would like to say success never comes immediately. It takes time, and we have to focus to our target to achieve it and never giving up. This should be the attitude to achieve your target. Ending with my message, I hope a healthy and safe life to all of you during this COVID-19 pandemic situation. Please bring hygienic practice in your daily life, because this is the way to avoid and take precaution and to control the spread of this COVID-19 virus. My best wishes to all the young pharmacists and regard to faculties. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
Hello everyone, hope you all are doing great and keeping yourselves safe during ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. I am Dr. Sumit Jamba, proud alumnus of ISF College of Pharmacy, Moga. Currently I am working as a postdoctoral research associate at Yale University, USA. This is a proud moment for me, and it is always delightful to be remembered by your alma mater. I have spent a full decade of my life here at ISFCP, and I feel proud when people call me the pure product of ISFCP. I joined ISFCP way back in 2007 as a B.Pharm student and left ISFCP after completion of my doctorate in 2017. Then I joined a private university near Chandigarh, and later on I moved to New York University, Shanghai, where I spent a few months working on advanced neuroimaging techniques and worked on non-human primates. My work was fully sponsored by IBRO Short Stay Fellowship Program. After completion of my short stay, I moved to USA and joined postdoctoral position at Yale University, which is one of the oldest university in the world and is ranked in top 20 best universities of the world. Today, where I am and who I am is because my teacher who believed in me encouraged me to go and explore myself. My stay at ISFCP inculcated the values and strength in me. I would like to thank the faculty members of ISFCP who taught me, who inspired me to pursue my career as a researcher. I greatly appreciate the vision and effort of our beloved Chairman Sir, Mr. Praveen Gajri. Under good leadership, the college has attained big heights. During the last 2 decades, this college has flourished under the direction of many pharma pioneers, starting from late Professor Dr. R.D. Buddhiraja, late Professor Dr. Manjeet Singh, Professor Emeritus Dr. P.L. Sharma, Professor K.L. Dhar, Professor R.S.R. Murthy, Professor S.P. Vyas, Professor N.K. Jain, and is now excelling under the direction of Professor G.D. Gupta. From my experiences, I can say that this college has made a tremendous progress in last 15 years, and the infrastructure as well as the research facilities at ISFCP are of highest standard. Talking about the research facilities at ISFCP, I would not quote someone example. I would like to share my accomplishment with you people. The research work done by me at Department of Pharmacology ISFCP during my PhD culminated into publishing around 15 research and review paper in the journals of international repute, and also contributed 15 international chapters. My research work was greatly appreciated worldwide by eminent neuroscience organizations like International Brain Research Organization, Society for Neuroscience, Movement Disorder Society, Australasian Neuroscience Society, International Society for Neurochemistry, and I was awarded with 10 international travel grants to present my research work at different countries like Europe, Austria, USA, Australia, Japan, Nepal, China, and many others. Therefore, I can proudly say that both faculty and facilities at ISFCP are extraordinary and equals international standard. At last, I would like to congratulate the management, faculty members, students for attaining the autonomous status from UGC Government of India. And also I would like to thank the management and faculty members, students, especially Dr. Veer Vikram sir and Mr. Himra sir for inviting me to share my views on the occasion of Alumni Meet 2020. Looking forward to meet you all next year when I will get back to India. Thank you all, and I wish you all success in your future endeavors. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am Saurabh Sharma, working as a postdoctoral fellow in University of Victoria in Canada. And first of all, I am very thankful to the Alumni Affairs President Dr. Gurfateh Singh, who has provided me this opportunity to speak to all of you. And just a brief about myself. I joined and I graduated from ISF College of Pharmacy in 2011, and later on I did my Masters in Neuropharmacology at ISF College, and I passed it in 2013. It was an amazing experience which I can always cherish, and I have learned a lot during my stay at ISF College of Pharmacy. I am thankful to all my teachers who has always provided me support and guidance in my career. I am especially thankful to my master's mentor Dr. Rahul Deshmukh, who has always inspired me to do good work. And also I'm thankful to Dr. Rajiv Talian, who is working as Associate Professor at BITS Pilani, who has guided me in my PhD. My message to the students who have just started their careers in ISF College of Pharmacy, that you are in a very noble profession, and I will say that the only thing you need to pay attention is do not let anyone discourage you about what scope you can have after this degree or after you finish your graduation. You can always achieve whatever you want in your life if you just work hard, work smart, and have little patience. You can always look up to your alumni like me and others, and maybe we can motivate you, and you can always excel in your careers. If you need any support, you can always contact your alumni. And thank you, and I wish you all a very good future, and whatever you do good work hard. Bye. Thanks.
Namaste. Good morning. Hi, I am Raghav Dogra, MPharm pass out in 2018 from the branch of Pharmaceutical Analysis. First of all, I would like to thank ISF College of Pharmacy for giving me this opportunity. And I would like to congratulate everybody who is here among us for celebrating our relationship, that is being a part of this growing family popularly known as ISF College of Pharmacy. I feel privileged to be an alumnus of this premier academic institute, where we came across such eminent personalities who has guided us towards a better future in pharma and research. They have not only guided us, but also refined our skills for being a better pharma professional. I am greatly thankful from the core of my heart, as they have provided me the necessary base to live my dream as a researcher. I hope there are many more researchers and good pharma professionals to come forward from ISF CP in future and provided the circumstances and the facilities they have. In the end, I would like to wish all my mates, all my alumni mates who are present over here, best of luck for the future and their future triumphs. Thank you.